I love coming to work every day. And I know that sounds funny because most people dread coming to work or going to work, but I really do enjoy what I do, and it's just a great overall environment. I've been with the Collision Center and Marion Toyota as a whole for over 15 years. I originally started in high school. I worked part-time on Saturday. I worked during school, all through college. I actually have a teaching degree. That was what I wanted to do. And ultimately, I decided that this was a good fit for me. I started full-time at Toyota, and then I moved on here to the body shop. We are a family business. It's been family owned and operated for years. It feels like a family. And you can tell that we are family owned, not corporate owned. We do things as a family. We have get-togethers and parties and cookouts, and it is that family feeling. We support each other, and I think that's key to everything that we do here. I feel like you, me, anybody, you can just be yourself. The one piece of advice that I have for someone that wants to come in and potentially apply to work within our family is to come on. We're always looking to hire good people, someone who is dedicated and hardworking. And even if you don't know where you want to be, what department you want to be in, there's always an opportunity and an opening to advance and move on into a different position that may be a better fit for you. Marion Toyota, Marion Collision Center by far is one of the best places to work.